This is letter A and the sound is A. This is letter B and the sound is B. This is letter C and the sound is K. This is letter D and the sound is D. This is letter E and the sound is A. This is letter F and the sound is F. This is letter G and the sound is G. This is letter H and the sound is like you are tired. जैसे आप थके हुए हो. Ha is the sound of letter H, like ha horse, ha hen. Now look at the blend. Ha a, ha ha had, had, ha z. The sound of S is S and Z. We have both sound of S like S and Z. But has is also a sight word. We don't blend it. It's a sight word. We always say like has. Has. We don't blend it. H a do. H a ha do. Hat. Hat. H a t. Hat. Hat. Now look at the blend with E. H e he h e he hen hen h e hen h e hen. And we also have her. Here there is an exception that we read her. It's also a sight word. We read like her. Has, her. Both of these are sight words. We don't blend it. We just read has and her. ER is a digraph too. We just read has, her. Has, her. A B B C K D D E A F G G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. We have 5 vowels. They are very special. Why are they special? Because they have 2 sounds. One long sound, the same as its name, and a short sound. Let's say the long sound of vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And now let's say the short sound of vowels. A, E, O, O.
E, O, A, E, O,
This is Tom. Tom has a dog. The dog